How to add money to Cash App. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to add money to Cash App. The first step is to open or launch the Cash App mobile app, just like you can see here. This is the home page of the app. Next, tap on the profile icon. It is this icon at the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to the profile section of your account, as you can see here. On this page, there are various options and sections that you can use to manage and navigate to different areas of the app. Next, scroll down. Make sure you are following the tutorial step by step to avoid making any mistakes. Okay, let us proceed. Come to this section named Account and Settings. Under the section, there are more options that are related to the account and settings. From them, make sure you tap on this one here named Linked Banks. When you tap on it, you will land on this page. On this page, there is a section that you are supposed to use to connect your bank account to your Cash App by using your debit card, credit card, or you can log in with your bank details. So once you tap on it, a page similar to this one appears. On this page, you are supposed to enter your card details correctly, after which you are supposed to tap here, Link Card. The card will then be linked, as you can see here. Once you have done that, come back to the home page of the app. On the home page, you will see options that you can use to navigate to different areas of the app. From them, make sure you tap on this one here at the bottom left corner of the screen with the bank icon. This page appears where there are sections and options that are related to money. From them, make sure you tap this one here named Add Money. Once you do that, a menu pops up from the bottom of the screen. On the menu, you are supposed to enter the amount of money you would like to withdraw from your bank and into your Cash App account. As you can see, by default, there are amounts of money that appear here already. You can use them if the amount you need appears here. You can also enter your own amount by tapping on these three dots here. After that, make sure you tap here, Add. The money will then be added to your Cash App balance. The process is that simple. I hope this tutorial has helped you find a solution to the issue you are facing. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks. That is how to add money to Cash App.